kids, this is Miss Amin. I'm in my backyard and my garden. This year in my garden I have grew some onions. These are called green onions. And also I have grew some parsley, which is another thing that these you can add them to any kind of food you want, but my favorite is to add them to salad because they're fresh. And also you can grow your own tomato in your garden. You can grow your cucumbers in your garden, and they're good to add them to any kind of food you want as well. So today I'm going to show you how to add these to my salad. So what I will do first, I will cut a piece of green onion. I will rinse it in the water and chop it into my salad just like that. And then I can cut off some pieces of parsley. It could be any time. And again, same thing, I will rinse them, make sure they're nice and clean, and chop them into my salad as well. And this is really good and healthy for you, and you can grow in your own backyard. Smells so good and fresh. I love it. I hope one day you get to grow your own garden in your backyard and have your fresh vegetables for your salad. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have learned something. Take care. Bye.